Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Val Ngige, and if it's your first time here, welcome, karibu sana, and please subscribe for more videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, kama kawaida, thank you for staying tuned. So before we even start, thank you so much guys, all of you who have subscribed, our new subscribers. Aki grow. Have you guys realized? Oh my god, I'm excited. Thank you so much for subscribing and welcome to the squad. So in today's video, we are doing a makeover. I'm doing a makeover of my filming area, as you've seen from the title. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and in case you're interested in this kind of content and lifestyle content and makeup content, kindly hit the subscribe button down below, because this is a game changer guys. Mkishaona tumefanya hivi, unajua it's about to go down. So excitement niko nayo hadi nashindwa kufilm. Like, I'm so happy, I'm so proud of myself. Like, finally I've been able to do this makeover that I planned last month, but I couldn't do it at the time because sikuwa na all the resources na everything that I needed, na sikuwa nataka kufanya, you know, just for the sake of doing it. Nikuwa nataka kufanya until I feel contented, and right now I'm so happy. Guys, leave a comment. Do you like the new filming area? Because sis tried. I'm excited. Oh my god. Actually, this is a million time I'm saying I'm excited. But yeah, I'm excited. So watch up until the end to see the process, and also to see who helped me do this DIY, because najua mtapenda. Actually, I know you guys are going to love this video. So without further rambling, let us get right into the video. So guys, we started off by trying to align them and see how they would look like on the wall after like the final product, because we didn't want to make any messes, especially because we are using double-sided tape, and also these pictures, you peel them and then they produce the glue, and then you stick them, and once you've done that, you can't take it out. So that's why we decided to try out by just using masking tape tunazekelea, just to see how they look like and how everything like comes together. So guys, after we had decided about the alignment and how the wall hangings in the pictures are going to be placed, we went ahead and took down everything and started adding double-sided tape on the wall hangings so that they can hold firmly on the wall na ili zisianguke, because this is a rental na hatuwezi pigilia misumari just anywhere. So we decided to go for double-sided tape. As you can see guys, there I am putting it on the wall, and it sticks, and it is firm, haianguki so So guys, now we are done with the picture side, with the wall hanging side, and we went ahead to make the hanging shelves. So babe started by measuring the distance between the drilled holes on the wood to give us the distance that you're going to do ama kuweka misumari, and then tukapigilia, and then we put a double knot hapo kwa misumari. We were using 2 cambers because that way they are going to be a little bit stronger and firmer. So, and then when you're putting them up there, at least try to make 2 knots so that they can be firm and strong, and then so they can hold the bow firmly, like isianguke, isiname, and all that. And then after we had done that, tukaenda, and as you can see babe anaeka bow. So you put it in, you measure the measurements, and then after that you make a double knot under your bow. Still it helps it kukua firm na kushikilia vitu firmly so that things don't fall and break.
especially if you're going to be putting glass stuff. So basically that is it. After that tukatoa tukazichoma, so that now like at the end you make the double knot and then unakata na unachoma. Basically that was it, and I really enjoyed doing this video. I'm filming this video and also being helped by babe to do this kuswa vitu nilikuwa ninafanya you guys tatu. So guys, after confirming that everything was working well and we liked it, I went back to now stick the pictures permanently by peeling off the part and letting the glue that comes with it stick on the wall. And yes, we were pleased with how everything looked so far. So guys, we've come to the part that I loved most, whereby we're going to be decorating the hanging shelves. I'm using those frames that I got from my mom, and then nikazi spray paint, nikazi transform, and I'm going to link the video up here so that in case you've not watched the video, you can go ahead and watch it. And then inside the frames nimeweka printed photos that were printed together with the ones that I've sticked on the wall. And yeah, and then now as you can see, I'm using my mom's Bible as well. I kept this for myself for memories. And then we have that Bible that I got from my sister when I was joining high school, so it's a hand-me-down, but I still love it. And then now we're going to add a succulent to bring the whole place together. For the upper shelf, we're going to be having the frame, the black one, and a sunset picture, and also a flower vase and a plant. The planter, I got it for 100 bob from somebody in our estate, and then the plants, I got them from Maria for 100 bob. I also have that blue vase that you're going to see there. I got that vase from an ex-UK shop for 100 bob. And then my white mason jar, where I put my little notes and nimejiandikia to kuji appreciate, because I saw that idea somewhere and I was like, yeah, it's going to work for me, because who doesn't want to feel good at the end of the day when you read the notes that you've written to yourself, appreciating yourself, and then they give you memories. So yeah, there's the mason jar, and I think the whole thing looks so good, so good. Guys, leave a comment down below. Tell me, what do you think about the whole DIY? What do you think about the hanging shelf? Would you consider doing this idea? And then guys, this makeover is like the best because it doesn't interfere much with the walls at the house, especially if you're living in a rental apartment.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, can click the subscribe button down here in red. It is free, guys. It is free to subscribe. You just hit that red button, and then after the red button, you hit the bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, bye bye, and work towards your dreams. Mwah.